After months of testing, Apple has finally released iOS 15.4 to the public, and with it comes the ability to unlock your iPhone using Face ID while wearing a mask. The bad news is that it's only available for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 series, meaning those on an iPhone 10, XS or 11 are out of luck this time around. However, if you do have a recent iPhone and like the idea of being able to unlock it while wearing a face mask, here's how to do it. The first step, rather obviously, is to download and install the iOS 15.4 update within the Settings app of your iPhone. That shouldn't take too long as long as you've got a stable internet connection. Once the update has been installed, follow the prompts on your phone until you reach the new Face ID setup screen. If you dismiss this the first time around, don't worry, it's also available in the Face ID section of the Settings app. Once you're ready, tap Use Face ID with a mask. The setup process should feel familiar as it's nearly identical to the initial Face ID setup. Simply position your head in the frame and move your head slowly to scan your face. Once complete, you'll be prompted to scan for a second time, but this time you'll have to remove any glasses you might have been wearing so Face ID can get a detailed scan of the area around your eyes, which it uses for identification when wearing a mask. If you only wear a single pair of glasses regularly, simply tap Done to save your settings and use Face ID with a mask. Those who switch between several pairs of glasses will have to scan each individually to make sure that Face ID can recognise you. Once you're done, you should be able to unlock your iPhone and even use Apple Pay when using a mask. For more tips and tricks, check out the Tech Advisor website and don't forget to like and subscribe.